If you want to level up from flying basic drones and finally get those impossible shots you see online, you need to fly an FPV drone. And for years, the iFlight Naz V3 has been the best ready-to-fly FPV drone in the game. So I'm here to test that, and this is my concise and cinematic review of the Naz V3. Right away, the build is solid. The carbon frame is strong, the wiring is clean, and the enclosed side plates protect the quad from dust and even a little bit of water. The only downside is that those plates aren't quick release. So if you crash hard and need to get inside, it is a huge trek to tear this thing down. But some would say it's worth protecting your drone. It looks nice, but how durable is it? 3, 2, 1. We crashed this thing a ton of times and it still looks brand new. It got covered in sand and it just kept flying. On another note, if you want to learn how to color grade any type of footage and fast, consider having a look at my DaVinci Resolve course. Afterwards, you'll never need to use a LUT again. There are also a bunch of thoughtful little upgrades this time around, better cooling for the electronics, the units got moved to the front for a stronger signal, and overall a cleaner layout. You may not notice this at all, but it's little things like this that prevent your quad from falling out the air. The tune and flight performance are where it really shines. It's ridiculously smooth, and I don't know what iFlight have been testing in the factory, but there is genuinely no prop wash even when I try to force it. It's fast, agile, making freestyle with cinematic flying a dream, but also apparently the drone is supposed to fly more efficiently. I was getting over 5.5 minutes of flight time, and I still had 22.2 volts to spare, so 67 minutes of flying is very reasonable, but not the longest flight time to say the least. This is also the first drone you can swap a dead cat in X configurations, which is great if you want to mix cinematic flying with freestyle, but I'ma keep it real with you, unless you fly quads religiously, you'll probably never notice the difference. The only slight annoyance is ND filter compatibility. Standard Avata filters won't fit because of camera guards, so you'll probably need to buy ones like the iFlight filters. Overall, the price comes in at $600 US. It's not cheap, but it's quite standard. The CineFlow 5 is another great choice at $610, and it comes with the GPS. To me, it's honestly a toss-up, but I like the fact that you can switch configurations, and the Nazgul does seem more sturdy to me. If you want something a little cheaper, the Nazgul Eco is $450, and it's super stripped down. If you can afford it, I would go for the Evoke, but if not, the Eco is still an amazing drone regardless. With all that being said, this is the best FPV drone you can buy right now. It's tough, refined, and an absolute joy to fly. This could even be your first FPV drone or one of your new daily drivers. Regardless, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.